Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to log in or sign in to Limbus company game on Android devices. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So first of all, launch the Limbus company game. Now when you launch the game for the first time, you will see the touch to start game. So tap on touch to start game and then it will ask you to sign in. You can sign in with Google, sign in with Apple or sign in as a guest. So tap on sign in with Google. So select the account that you want to continue with Limbus company. Then tap on agree and share. And then check mark terms of service and privacy policy and then click on confirm. And here you can see it is connecting. Just wait. And then it will ask you to download 15.17 GB of additional data. So click on confirm. And once this download get completes, then you can get login to your game and then you can play the game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.